Welcome to JVR Industries. Today we're going to go over how to replace your vacuum pump capacitor on your JVR Vac100 chamber vacuum sealers vacuum pump. Now you'll need 3 essential tools for this easy replacement. You'll need 1, a 3mm Allen wrench, 2, a pair of scissors, and 3, a number 2 Phillips. Now before we get this process started, you'll have to unplug the unit from any source of power. And also, I would suggest pulling out all the filler plates before hinging the unit forward. So go ahead and remove those 3 Allen screws on the back panel, on the base of the back panel, and we can get started with this process. Okay, first things first, go ahead and grab that number 2 Phillips and you're going to pop off the 4 screws on this black box on your vacuum pump. Now when you're inside the black box, you will see the capacitor. It's this little tiny black box inside the black compartment, and on the edge here you have a screwdriver, number 2 screw, and a washer. So go ahead and just quickly pop that off. Okay, set that to the side, and this is where the capacitor can kind of pop out. Now you have 2 black wires running from that capacitor, which you'll be able to trace into this bunch of wires here. And you might need scissors depending on how this was initially set up. I always try to work around it, and hopefully I don't need to take scissors to it, but I think we might be stuck with this one. So let's go ahead and just remove that zip tie. That'll make life a bit easier in this scenario. Okay. Awesome. And then if you get your next capacitor that you're using for replacement, you'll see the text on the one side. Just put them next to each other so you can kind of see where it's set bolt hooks up. Now that you have the black compartment off, and you've got your capacitor out, you remove that screw and washer, you are ready to hook this new one up. So I already started pulling this apart. Sometimes you can get these sleeves to slide right off, and then what you're going to do is the female end of this, you're just going to pinch on the width of it and then pull the male end out. And that makes it so it kind of just pops out there. Now that I have one of these off, what I'll do is I'll take that same side, I just pop it on real quick. And do the same thing. You're going to squeeze and then kind of pull this off. Now if you had issues getting these back on after pulling them off, you may or may not have opened that channel up a little much, in which case you could just take something like pliers to crimp that back onto the male end of the wire. But now you're ready to just quickly grab this bunch, zip tie it, drop that capacitor back into this black compartment, zip it back on, and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for watching JVR Industries on YouTube.